In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to create a jersey basketball t-shirt. So friends, go to Canva and click on create option. From the create option, go to custom size. Custom size, choose this size for t-shirt, friends, and then click create new design. You will see this page, simple page. So friends, click on element. From element, you can look for logo, for example. You can see a different logo and the design idea for logo. For example, if you want to use this one, guys, this is for example, and click logo basketball, guys. For example, this one, guys, you can also add this on your design. And then, guys, just a way to see some different ideas and logo. This is all paid plan, guys. You can, for example, use this one just for example, and all you have to do, you can customize this one on your Canva on this template, and then click download this just a PNG. This is just for example, guys. I will use a free premium, for example this one, guys. I want to use this one. Click share a design and download. Go to Printify, guys, account. If you don't have account, you can create account on this Printify. So guys, from Printify, go to catalog, and then from catalog, look for a t-shirt, for example, and then search for this keyword, guys, basketball. From the basketball, guys, just you will see this. For example, I want to customize this for basketball. Click on product details. This is all about product details, and click start design. From the starting design, guys, click edit, and then click upload. You can upload a template, for example this one. I want to upload this template. As you can see here, you can also drag and use this as a template, and you can use this color, for example, guys, as a red color from here, and then you can customize. So guys, you can also use different logo and for your jersey. For example, this one you can use, and you can download, and you can go to Printify, and you can use this as a template on your logo design. This is how you can do, guys. Also, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.